everybody, it's Teacher Suze here with Say ABC. Happy to see everybody. Hope y'all are doing well. Today's video is going to talk about my classroom. Basically, if you want to know the short of it, Amazon Prime and the Dollar Tree are your friend, okay? If you are a teacher with, say, ABC or any other online company, it's always good to have a background. Okay, to have a background for your classroom. Mine is very simple. I have a map, as you can see behind you, and then I got the map from Amazon Prime, okay? Amazon Prime, super easy. You can Google it and look it up. I don't want to put links in the video description below for some of the things that I'm talking about because due to copyright, I don't want to get in trouble for posting a link. But if you have a specific question about something that you see or that I talk about in the video, please feel free to send me an email, and that is listed in the comments below. So, okay, I chose a map just because I wanted a very simple and clean background. And as you can see, a couple of days ago, I added to it with some of these apples and books and letters. All of these items that are on the perimeter were from the Dollar Tree, okay? So basically, very, very, very reasonably priced. When I started teaching with, say, ABC, I spent a total of $13 for everything in my classroom. The background, I purchased a whiteboard, okay? Just very, very simple props. I didn't want to overdo it. Also, these letters, these little magnet letters, they're wonderful. I got those at Target. So you can look all around and just find simple things wherever you go. Another prop that I love for my classroom, and I can also use this as a secondary reward, is the ice cream. Now, you don't have to have a secondary reward system with, say, ABC. I prefer it, however, just because this is a fantastic prop, first and foremost, and secondly, everybody interacts with it. I have level 0, 1, 2, and 3, and all level students really love the ice cream prop. It comes with 10 different colors that you can add to it, okay? And again, it's fun because you can say, oh, have a bite, yum, yum, yum. But you can also ask the lower levels, what color is it? And you can also have them count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this is also very reasonably priced, and I found it on Amazon Prime. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thirdly, another thing that is actually extremely important to have in your classroom. You can have your background as simple as possible. Okay, that is completely fine. You can just have your name. You can have the Say ABC logo. But more importantly than that, you need good lighting. You need to have good lighting for your classes. Sometimes the webcams tend to project a little bit darker. So I have a very bright light shining on me right now, and I also have a little selfie light. This is great if you have your laptops especially, because this does provide a lot of light. Okay, it's basically used to put on your cell phone, like a little selfie, and but I put it on top of my computer, and then look at the difference that this makes. See? Good lighting, okay? They need to be able to, really see you all around. So make sure that you have good lighting in your classroom. Another little piece of advice that I would offer is to put on just simple makeup for the morning. Okay, I have heard that some people have received feedback from parents saying that they looked tired or, that they, just didn't look their best. You don't have to do full face of makeup, but what I use concealer is your friend. I just use concealer. I put some foundation on just to kind of brighten my face up a little bit, mascara and lip gloss, and then I'm good to go. Okay, so always use maybe just a little bit of makeup, just kind of brighten up the circles when you can, okay? Let's see, what else? Talked about lighting, talked about simple props. I have a Say ABC logo pin. I love this pin. It is a magnet pin, which is fantastic because I can just put it on any of my t-shirts, and there you go, very professional. I chose a matte finish on this pin, and if you would like more information on how to get it, I will be happy to answer that for you. Send me a quick email, post something in the comments below. So this is also very, very, very popular and easy prop that I love to have, and I use it when I teach every single time. Even though my logo is clearly displayed in the background, I also like to have something on my shirt that just shows overall that, yes, I am a teacher with Say ABC. I hope that some of this information has been helpful for you. I have simple props. I don't have a whole bunch of props. I mean, some of these things you can just find just by looking around your house. Look at what you already have. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you a mom? Do you have your kids? Raid the closet, raid the toy bin, see what they have. I took an alligator from my daughter. I have headbands. These are simple, easy trial classes. Actually, I wear a headband for every class. One other key prop that I have is a puppet. I love my puppet. This is Petunia Pig. She's a good friend. She carries me through. She helps me in class. And this is actually made by the Puppet Company. They have a lot of really, really, really nice puppets. Easy to find. You can look them up on Amazon, but you don't necessarily have to get this brand, but it's always good to have a puppet for your class. This is great because it's fun, they're happy. It can help warm up students if they're a little bit shy, if you're teaching a trial class. It can also help to redirect if the kids are losing their focus a little bit. Petunia can come out and, call their name and get them to come back in and refocus just to bring it back in. Hopefully, I shared a little bit of helpful information for you. If you would like more information about becoming a teacher with Say ABC, I have a direct link to apply in this video description below. I would love to help you in the process. If you would like to become a member of Say ABC, if you click on that link and you apply, that connects me with you. That makes me the one that would refer you. What that does is I can help you through the interview process. I can help answer questions, offer feedback, and give advice on how to get from step A to step hired with Say ABC. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Comment below if you have ideas or questions about anything that I posted today, and have a great day.